What's the meaning of Coeur de Lion? Coeur de Lion. Coeur de Lion.
Coeur de Lion. Coeur de Lion. Coeur de Lion is French for lionheart, which is a term often used to describe the courage and bravery of individuals who possess exceptionally strong and valiant hearts, particularly in the face of danger or adversity. The phrase is most commonly associated with Richard the Lionheart, a renowned English king and warrior who lived during the 12th century and was known for his fearless leadership and military prowess. Today, the term is used more generally as a symbol of courage and strength, and can be found in literature, art, and popular culture.